It's amazing to be part of this community and part of your project, and I hope that we reach your expectations, let alone you reaching ours. I hope that we reach yours.
So if you go to someone today and show them Boomerang and tell them about the product, give them this idea of fetching arbitrage opportunities with mispricings and using flash loan to execute so, and you tell them that if you keep clicking every day, all the time, you will get profit, and just tell them that this is how it is going to happen, and then come back and tell me what do they tell you, without even showing the beta version or anything, no stories, nothing. Just tell them the concept that this is how it is generating profits for the users. It is an incredible product. It is magical product.
Well said, Shavez. Thank you so much, and thank you for everything that you are doing for this community.
These hopes on which we built everything, I requested everyone to establish, and that has made you guys move this big, and that has made us develop and deliver this product. So we receiving even higher hopes will help us deliver even bigger. And this is how the world works into blockchain space.
And so just a little confusion. You are talking about 500,000. Is it 500,000 licenses or 5,100 of community?
Okay. For both the things are same for us. Every wallet is a user for us. So when a wallet acquires a license, it is a user. So it is 500,000 licenses in total that we will sell.
So just imagining that 3 months, 6 months over the downline, we have only 500,000. That's the max capacity as of now. 3 months
only.
So that's the capacity that Boomerang will have, and the entire community is limited to that 500,000 licenses only. So anybody who has not yet bought the license or is willing to buy more licenses, they need to be in this capacity. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. So let us close this call with a brief summary of everything. So we have a massive platform. It's like a gigantic machine that's collecting arbitrage profit from across the blockchains. From the day of launch, we did not have any technical issues, but the limitations were from the blockchain side, where we, as a platform, when we were launched, it spiked the gas fees. And to protect people from losing money in terms of gas fees, we are having this restrictions. And again, many times you have told, even I have told in my master training, these restrictions are just for the limited time. As we go multi-blockchains and as our AI improves, these restrictions are going to be laid off.
Yes.
All
that
right.
is the goal.
Super. And with these restrictions laid off, maybe there will be many developments in terms of platform after 3 months also. So when this Boomerang goes full scale, everybody will be able to claim profits for years and years to come, because how we are making profit is from the liquidity mismatching on the blockchains. And as long as arbitrage possibilities are there in the market, our platform will keep claiming them. Is it correct?
Yes. That's
so there is no end to the platform, or there is no limits to the platform, what profits we can make, and it can continue as long as the market exists, as long as the liquidity discrepancies exist. We will be making profit, and we will be delivering this profit to the entire community of entire trading community of 500,000. Is it correct?
Yes. I will also explain this in a very different way, and you guys can test. So if you go to someone today and show them Boomerang and tell them about the product, give them this idea of fetching arbitrage opportunities with mispricings and using flash loan to execute so, and you tell them that if you keep clicking every day, all the time, you will get profit, and just tell them that this is how it is going to happen, and then come back and tell me what do they tell you, without even showing the beta version or anything, no stories, nothing. Just tell them the concept that this is how it is generating profits for the users. It is an incredible product. It is magical product. Nobody has deployed, delivered, developed this kind of product. You know why? Because all these ventures, they have been cashing out these mispricings by themselves. Why did Binance, why did not any decentralized exchange, any aggregator release their own product of this sort? Do they not have technology? Do they don't know about the mispricings? Do they not understand how big users can be onboarded? No. We did that for the benefit of our community, because the world is not stopping here. We have different products. I want to, after 500,000 users, I want to release another product that will help us acquire maybe 5 million people.
Great. Shavez, one silly question, just one silly question. Instead of giving 100 trades to 100 traders, why can't we give 10 trades to maybe 1,000 people? This silly question, and I'm done for the day, for the night.
Okay. So I will explain this. This is the this is a question which everybody asked in the small call sessions where there was interaction. So the idea of making a large scale product, or you can say very scalable product, in which thousands and thousands of people, they can realize not just profits. I mean, let's say it's a game, they're playing game, right? Where there is a scalable product. So we tackle things on the basis of the whole threshold. It is just the limited mindset of ours which is able to do one transaction on Polygon, which is making us think like this. The moment we will go multi-chain, and I believe leaders and trainers can relate, because they are able to do 100 transactions a day, that is giving us analysis to establish multiple transactions a day for end users. So this is a scale that I have gave, so that you guys do not come back to me after 3 months. Why did you come on a Wednesday call and you say stop recruiting? We are done now with 500,000 licenses, and the game show is closed. Now everyone who is inside is inside. So this is a gentle, you can say, caution or warning, or telling you guys that this is the maximum threshold that this multi-chain product can hold. I know the recruitment of 500,000 licenses will not be done in a short span of time. It can be on a short span of time as well in this industry. I know this MLM industry is crazy, but what I am talking with the conventional tech mindset, in which the networks when will be added and the users will come on board, it will go hand in hand, and we will reach at the peak where there are multiple networks and there are multiple transactions and all 500,000 users are winning.
Well said, Shavez. Thank you so much, and thank you for everything that you are doing for this community. I'll invite Shiba Joe to address next.
Thank you very much. Hi, good evening, Shavez. Fantastic update, and a lot of detail that I'm sure will bring a tremendous amount of clarity to those people who've not yet got clarity. I just have one question, and it's is the bot still part of the roadmap?
Sorry?
Or is the bot part of the roadmap?
Well, yes, after getting into leadership calls, just like with you also, Joe, I understood the priorities of the community, what community needs right now. The leaders, I mean, they all trust me, they all love me, you know, which part of community needs bigger cash flow right now, which part of the community is able to generate traffic and make money with the affiliate side more, but some part of the community is waiting on licenses to mature their returns. So after understanding everything, I am resetting my priority. And this is how I believe this is how real leaders, they work. So after understanding the ground, I realized that addition of networks first, implementation of more transactions second, third would be the multi-network or multi-chain bot. I would also clarify this. We have automated the system already so much, because earlier the possibility or the building of auto trading bot was with the same concept, just like you're doing with the MVP. We automated everything: ticket size, pairs, browsing of pairs, everything AI is doing in the backend. Now just the auto clicks on the auto transaction is supposed to be the bot that you also can build the moment we go multi-chain. It will be just easy, very easy. I mean, anyone who knows how to write Python a little bit will be able to just, it is just like Internet of Things, IoT. One click here, switch network, one more click here, switch network, one more click here, like that. So auto trading bot will be very easy because everything is automated already. The moment we go multi-network, have multiple transactions, we make users happy first, and then you guys will start asking. So now the demands are different, that I understood. The hopes should be like what I'm saying, and the desire is always the same we have. So yes, like that, Joe.
Fantastic. I did think of another question as well. But there is little doubt, certainly in my mind, and I'm sure the rest of the panel here, that what you have created is something truly extraordinary. And during the course of making my videos, I can tell you I feel that buzz of excitement every time I talk to myself on the screen when I'm making the video. How malleable is the timescale that you've given on the adding of networks? You've talked about 10 to 15 days for each network. How malleable is that?
Okay. So I will let you guys understand with the addition of first network, the timeline that we take, and then the second network, and then you guys will be aware and more comfortable with the required time. Of course, tech team will also be faster with one or two more networks because they also know what they're doing and how fast they can do. Every accomplishment with the tech team makes them better. So this is my analysis so far with my developers as well.
Fantastic. And just one final one. How far away are we from the next network?
Okay, so 12th, that is 2 days from now. So 2 days I will go on group calls, and after 2 days we will start backend testing for Arbitrum within our team.
Shavez, I couldn't be more behind you if I was stood right there in person. It's amazing to be part of this community and part of your project, and I hope that we reach your expectations, let alone you reaching ours. I hope that we reach yours.
You guys always have been, exceeding my expectations, and I hope this run would be very long, and when we will, take rest after this one, we will be having a different level of setting up of expectations and hopes.
Can't wait.
Thank you so much, Shavez. I feel like now I'm really behind on schedule. I owe you another hour. So thank you all so much for your great questions. Shavez has got another meeting that he has got to get to. So thank you all so much for your attention. Shavez, a fantastic update, and thank you for taking so many questions. And so, ladies and gentlemen, excuse me, Shavez?
Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you all on next Wednesday. And organize calls with your leaders. Ask them to schedule a call with me. Please do not repeat. Let me cover the whole, groups one by one, and then I will come back to you guys, because there will be no new information that I can pass right now. So once you have organized with a certain group, do not repeat that, and I will try to cover as much as possible. That will establish a bigger clarity in me, and that also gives me great amount of energy to move forward. Thank you so much, Grace. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our event for this today. Again, it's great to have Shavez always visit with us, but I've got to go ahead and spare his time and energy. So thank you all so much for being here. You have a great rest of your day, a great Boomerang day, a great WAAS day. Get on the WAAS Starship now.